Hey guys, welcome back. This is Saif with another tutorial from TechForAll. In this video, I will show you guys how you can make unique values or unique names in Microsoft Excel from an existing list. Let's start. First of all, open Microsoft Excel by typing Excel in Run. Now let's enter a few values for the sake of this video. As you can see guys, that currently we have 20 names in here and some of them are duplicated. In order to make a unique list from these names, first of all, click on a new row, type equal, and then write unique. Select the unique formula by pressing tab from the keyboard, and now select your existing list. Close the list and press enter from your keyboard. As you can see guys, that now we have the names unique. There are 9 names in the entire list and they are 2 times and 3 times repeated. But using the unique formula, we have created a unique names from the existing list. And that's all for today. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will catch you very soon with another Excel tutorial. Till then, have a nice time.